Hey there, scientists. Happy Tuesday. How are you enjoying the weather today? Oh, some of you haven't even gone outside. Well, I hope you do get to go outside because it feels so great to enjoy the sun. For those that went outside today, how did it feel? Was it cold, so-so, or warm? Oh, some of you felt different things. Well, for those that haven't gone outside today, I thought we would do something a little different. Let me give you some background to it before I explain. Since we're answering the question, why can't we measure a person's temperature after being in the sun? I thought we would spend today measuring different temperatures, which means we'll have to go outside. I'm so excited, scientists. I don't think we've had the opportunity to learn outside together. So today, we'll be going outside and measuring the temperature of 3 different objects. And of course, me, Maestra Meza. First, I'm going to take my temperature and that of the 3 items. Then we'll wait some time after standing in the sun and measure the temperature of each item. And then me again. What do you think? Could this help us answer our question? I think it might too. I made a chart that I'm going to take outside with me, and we'll use that to record everything. But should we just get started? Great, let's get to it, scientists. Hey, scientists, isn't it a beautiful day to measure temperatures? Let's get started. All right, so we're going to be measuring the temperatures of 3 different things. Myself, Maestra Meza, this fabric, and this plastic bin with letters. I'm also going to record all my information in my science notebook. Are you ready? Me too. Now that I'm outside and away from my friends, I can take off my mask. Whew. Awesome. So I'm going to start off by taking my own temperature. Oh, this looks kind of scary. That's it? Let's see what it says. Did you see 98.1? Me too. So, me before we start, 98.1. Next, I have to measure the temperature of my plastic bin. Do you see what it says? 75.7. I'm going to write that down in my notebook. All right, 75.7. And all of these are Fahrenheit. Great. Now we're going to measure the piece of fabric, the temperature, not the length. 87.8. That's closer to my temperature. Now I'm going to write down that temperature. 87. All right. And now we're going to let some time pass to see if our temperatures change. All right, so 10 minutes have passed, so we're going to measure the temperatures of our items. So let's do the plastic bin. Oh wait, forgot to change the setting, scientists. It's always important to be precise. Whoa. 82.5. I think that changed. All right, now I'm going to record that. 82.5, and that's Fahrenheit. And now I'm going to measure my temperature. Oh my gosh, 101.8. I must have a fever. And now I'm going to record that. 101.8. Whew. Now we're going to measure the temperature of the fabric. 86 degrees. 86. All right. 86 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to wait a little more time to see if the temperatures change again. Now I'm going to read mine. Oh my gosh, high That means it went over 102 degrees. Great, now I'm gonna write that temperature down. Because it didn't give us an exact number, I'm just gonna put 102 plus because it said high. And now we're gonna measure the temperature of the plastic bin. Let me make sure it's on the right setting. 84.7. All right, now I've got to record it. 84.7. 84.7 degrees. Now we're going to record the temperature of the fabric. 85.4. Now I should write it. 85.4. Great. So, scientists, it looks like most of the items, myself and the plastic, had the temperatures go up. We went from 98, well, I went from 98.1 to 100.1.8 to 102. The plastic started at 75.7 degrees, went up to 82.5, and then 84.7. The fabric was really interesting. It started at 87.8, then went down to 86, and then went down to 85.4. I think this brings us closer to answering our question, but now I have a question about this one. Let's go back inside and see what we can do with this. Ooh, scientists, we got so much evidence from going outside. What was something you noticed about what we saw? I noticed that too. Most of the items got warmer after being in the sun, and I think my temperature changed a bit too. This is all way too interesting. Scientists will have to stop here today, but tomorrow, I want us to use some more evidence and interpret it. That means understand it. I can't wait to learn with you tomorrow. Please enjoy the rest of the show. There are so many things to learn today.